Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kat and I share tips and tutorials for all things creative. Today, I want to chat with all the busy moms out there who feel like there's just no time for art. Between the kids, the house, work, trust me, I know how it feels. But making time for your art is not impossible. In this video, I'm sharing how you can carve out time for your creative passions, no matter how crazy your day gets. First, we have to acknowledge the struggles. As a mom, your day is already full, whether it's managing household chores, ferrying the kids around, or working from home. By the end of the day, it can feel like you're completely drained, and finding time to make art seems like an impossible dream. Accept the chaos. Instead of fighting the busyness, embrace that your life is full right now. Acknowledge that it's okay if you don't have long, uninterrupted hours to create. Let go of the pressure to be perfect and work with what you have. Start small. If it feels overwhelming to tackle a big art project, start with something small and manageable. A quick sketch, a 10-minute doodle, or mixing colors for a future project can help you stay connected to your creativity without feeling burdened. Remember, your art doesn't have to be grand every time. Even small creative moments matter. Finding pockets of time. One of the best ways to get creative time in is by finding those small pockets of time during your day. Even if it's just 15 minutes, those short bursts of time can be so effective. Wake up earlier. This can be tough, especially when you're already exhausted, but setting your alarm 15 to 20 minutes earlier than your kids gives you some peaceful time to focus on your art before the chaos of the day starts. Or maybe you can use nap time or bedtime. If you have younger kids, use their nap time or bedtime to your advantage. Once they are asleep, instead of scrolling through your phone or watching TV, dedicate a small chunk of that time to your art. Utilize downtime. Take advantage of those times when your kids are happily occupied with homework, a movie, or playtime. You don't need hours at a time. Even 20 minutes while they are busy can help you make progress on your projects. It's about making the most of the time that you have. Those small moments can add up over time, and before you know it, you've created something amazing. Schedule your art time. Just like you schedule doctor's appointments or your kids' activities, you should schedule time for your art. Treat it like an important commitment and set a regular time for your creativity. Block it off. Look at your week and block off a dedicated time for your art. Even if it's just 1 or 2 sessions, putting it on your calendar, this will remind you to prioritize it. You can start with something small like 30 minutes on a Saturday morning and build from there. Communicate with family. Let your family know when you have scheduled time for your art. Tell your partner or kids that this is your time to focus on something you love, and they'll be more likely to respect it. Set reminders. Set an alarm or phone reminder for your scheduled art time so you don't accidentally skip it. It's easy to forget in the busyness of life, but having a reminder will prompt you to pause and create. When you make art a part of your routine, it becomes a non-negotiable. You deserve that time just as much as everything else on your to-do list. Create a mini art station. Set up a small art area for your kids next to you with simple supplies like crayons, coloring books, or clay. While they work on their art, you can work on yours. It's a fun way to bond, and they'll be so proud to create alongside you. Give them simple tasks. If your kids are a little older, give them simple art tasks that make them feel involved. They can help paint backgrounds, organize supplies, or even offer creative input. Who knows? They might inspire a whole new direction for your project. Another effective way is to include your kids in the process. Sometimes it's hard to find alone time, and that's okay. You can still create even your kids are around. One of my favorite things to do is involve my kids in my art sessions. Make it a family tradition. Schedule a weekly family art time where everyone gets creative together. It could be a drawing challenge, painting session, or crafting. It's a wonderful way to balance family time and creativity. Including your kids in your creative time not only gives you a chance to make art, but it also sparks their imagination and creativity. It's a win-win. Be kind to yourself. One of the most important things to remember is to be kind to yourself. Being a mom is tough, and some days are going to feel more overwhelming than others, and that is okay. Don't stress about productivity. Some days you might not get as much done as you'd hope, and that's fine. Remember that art is supposed to bring you joy and not stress. If all you can do is a quick sketch or brainstorm ideas, that's still progress. Give yourself grace. It's easy to get frustrated when your creative time doesn't go as planned. Maybe your kids needs more attention that day or you're just too tired. Give yourself grace and know that you can always come back to your art another day. Celebrate small wins. Whether it's completing a small project, finding 10 minutes to draw, or experimenting with new technique, celebrate those victories. Every step forward is something to be proud of. Your art journey is unique to you, and it's okay if it looks different than someone else's. The important thing is that you're showing up, even if it's just a little bit at a time. So, busy moms, I hope these tips help you find the time and space to reconnect with your art. You don't have to give up your creative passions. They are part of what makes you you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more creative tips and tutorials. And let me know in the comments how you're finding time for your art. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!